5 and mer. I can read this. It says the manual for practical survival in water. So we found this category 1 6-person life raft for sale for $100, but it's like 10 years out of date. So we thought we'd open it up, try and disarm the auto exploding gas thing and see what's inside. So this is a live lifeboat unboxing video.
I reckon this is like bait or some shit. I don't know. I know, chemical lights.
Lights?
Chem lights.
Do we have like so we got food?
Yeah.
We got some water.
Yeah.
We got different water. We got some sticks.
Got some recreational drugs. Oh, it's like a little fishing.
It's like a cutlery?
God, you know, this is all Plastimo gear though, eh? Like this is all Plastimo, like expensive, fancy branded shit. It's not just random cheap stuff.
Oh. Fail.
I don't know. Some flares. Excuse me.
Do they have a date on them?
Yeah, 2000. Expired 2008.
Okay.
They're very, very old.
Party flares.
Yeah.
Blanket.
Oh my god. It's in French. We're fucked. Nice. All languages. Oh.
This is what you have to read again and again because there's nothing else.
It's the only reading material.
Learn French.
You could hide a, I guess you could. It'd be like, you know what? You actually could. You'd be like, I'm real fucking bored. Let's read French. Try to keep calm. Do not panic.
Fireworks.
Oh,
Was that
cool.
a projector?
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, that's fucking cool.
Is that like a plastic?
Holy shit, that's so cool. Oh, you gotta open that one up, man. That's fucking cool. I reckon that's like the world. I reckon that's like the world. I love that. Like, no one knows it's in French and you don't realize until, oh dude, there's just like holes and shit.
Équipage. Faire le bel. Le père, le... The outside of this thing is all in English, eh? That's a bit... Well, plus Timo.
Have a look if it's the whole world.
Okay, so... Where are we, man? Oh, we're here.
Is it the world?
It is the world, yeah.
Oh god, it's got all the tide, like the coastal...
So, hold on.
Oh man, so
Roots.
that's alright, you can get stuck in the, oh fuck, that's cool.
Note, oh wait, what does this mean? Route the migration, they're something migratory birds.
Oh,
So if you're in one of these... Oh, is that actually what it is?
That's cool. Yeah, yeah, so you can figure out where you are
The
there,
marine...
by the birds.
Yeah, okay, so
Oh,
if
that's
there's...
so cool.
If there's birds...
That means the world, yeah, I know, mondo. Mundus, mondo. That's so cool.
What are the green lines?
What's with this?
Precarious, just tornadoes, tropicals. Oh shit.
Oh jeez. Hey, I'm gonna open this up, okay?
Yeah.
We can reseal. I reckon this will be expired, but we can reseal it regardless.
The sponge though. That's the worst thing. The sponge.
Yeah, I didn't know they did that.
Does it have a bone
Garrote?
saw?
It's got a garrote.
Do you wanna... What's on the other side? Oh. Oh. South. Oh, this must be... Oh yeah, this is prevailing wind.
Oh, this is a tube of Vaseline? Okay, interesting.
And a navigation tool. There's some Vaseline? What?
It's a tube of Vaseline, and this is a tube of 2% something. I reckon this is a, I don't understand what it means, but I reckon this is an antiseptic because it says 2%, so it'll be 2% like bleach, or 2% peroxide.
Oh yeah.
Or something like that. Yeah, man, this stuff's pretty... You can get all this.
I feel like we're gonna survive.
This is a really shitty survival kit, to be honest. There's not much in here. In this first aid kit.
Yeah, let's upgrade the first aid one.
Yeah, there's no drugs or anything.
We don't need that many sponges. I'd rather have... Oh, also this torch. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah. Well, it'll do the trick, but yeah. No,
Let's see. Pass me the torch. I want to see if it works.
This pile is the expired things. Everything else can go back in.
Cool. I feel like this needs to be LED and have a USB charger.
Yeah.
Oh. The map. The map.
The map. Yeah, map. Oh yeah, 2009 it expired. Yeah.
Open it up, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat some, man. I already threw up in my mouth once. So
do you want some refreshing aqua portable?
Would you like a beverage with that?
To wash this out.
To wash this fine meal down.
I want to see it.
Oh,
It's space food.
That's great.
It's like that elven larva's bread.
This is like a thing of coffee, man. This is great. Alright, I'm gonna
Do you need a knife? Do we have a survival knife that came?
Nah, you can just... Here, I'm gonna open the...
Where's our survival knife?
It's in here. It's tucked, it's like part of the... It's like there, I think.
Oh yeah.
It's part of it. It's
That's part of it.
Oh man, that's just like...
Oh, individual serving.
Jeez. Just like tablets. It's all greasy and shit.
Dude, it is kind of greasy.
Come just in time for a
Is this the food? Do we start eating it yet?
Delicious meal? Or perhaps you would like
It looks like Post-it notes.
Perhaps you'd like a nice beverage.
I was planning to put my clothes to wash and then go to eat something.
Oh, here we go.
But if you have something...
We've got some emergency food, yeah.
Yeah.
It's edible or...
It's out of date.
It was edible
but
in 2009, so, you know?
Fuck.
There's the instructions.
So,
Oh, man, it's
so
just
you're
like
taking
paper.
the last video alive?
This is how
I
Nepsle
don't know
dies.
how-
It smells
should
pretty
smell.
bad. I'm gonna eat it, but it smells pretty bad. I've watched enough of those Emiari guys to know that it's safe to eat. It's like gone off.
Guys,
It has gone off? Yeah?
It's sorry, it's gone rancid. What was that?
I know that you are people that make it.
Yeah.
Maybe with the last... None of
Oh,
us,
it's not so bad.
no one will.
It's alright.
And I believe that you can have all the money of the world, but you still may eat it. Just because you can.
It's like cake.
It's fine.
Survival cake.
Can I have a piece of... I want to die with you.
Muy
guys.
sabrosa. It's muy sabrosa.
Can I say my last words?
I'm into this. Like, it actually tastes better
Yeah,
than
can you
some
video
of
me my last words?
what.
Fuck you.
Do you want a drink?
Bebida
What do you
agua.
have peace from those days?
It's very,
Mm.
oh, it's like double bagged. Man, this is some quality drinking water.
It takes quite a while to melt in your mouth.
Guys,
It's like the emergency.
what are you talking about?
Oh, just so much plastic. Yeah, it's. It tastes like.
Tastes okay. Do you reckon this is Evian?
This is plastic with a bit of water in it.
7 Oceans.
Seven oceans. Like, you don't want, when you're in the middle of the ocean, you don't want a freaking 7 ocean drinking
You know
water.
what? You should replace this with like a sampler of like Evian and Fiji.
yeah. Where's my minerals, man? Drink water. Ooh, portable drink. I want mineral water.
I just imagine like it's like printed on like there's a print and it's sort of come across one and it's like drink this water and then under no circumstances, you know.
Mmm.
Yeah, that's.
It's not bad.
I know it's bad. I know it's. But you have plenty of water in the tap.
Do you want some of the bread?
Would you like a sponge cake?
That used to be edible.
No,
No,
it's
it's
just a
It's
cellulose
the
sponge.
sponge. We're not sure why we have it.
Oh, I reckon it's because there's like water everywhere. I mean, to clean up and shit, but like I reckon the inside will be covered with water and so you can wipe it down. Because there's nothing else you can
That's
wipe it
an
down with.
emergency.
There's nothing else to do. You may as well tidy. Just keep cleaning.
So this is an emergency raft, is it?
Yeah. I
Why
just
they
bought
make
it for $100. They normally cost like many thousand. So but everything's expired, so we have to drink it.
Is the
I
boat
don't-
expired?
This looks like it's going to be easy to fold up, so we can just fill it up, eh? We can pump it up.
Yeah, it's gonna play it. Where's the gas?
Oh, I don't want to use the gas. This
Oh
here,
yeah.
it's just a loop of string and it just goes around here. And I assume there's one on the other side of the arch too, maybe? Oh no, maybe it's just one. It's just here.
Wow, it looks so comfortable. It's like, is there another one there?
I think that's it. We can go inside because it's got an airplane.
All right, but take your shoes off. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells like survival in here.
Man, this is fucking cool.
This is better than the boat. This is actually quite a bit more
I need to
comfortable.
take a photo of you.
Oh yeah, this is.
Is this for peeing in? Do you pee in this?
Oh no, you know what it is? It's a rain collector.
Oh, no way!
Oh, that's
No
cool.
way! That's, oh yeah, look, it is on the lowest thing.
Yeah.
Wow, we're gonna survive. We're gonna totally survive.
So that's because I could see the bits of shit in there. Yeah, so you probably want to clean it out if you want to drink from there, but
What is this for though? Is this just to hold on to?
I know this is like a throw it to someone to grab to climb on. So like you can, you know, someone's over there and you throw the buoy and they can grab it and climb aboard then.
What is this? Just, yeah, fuck the boat. We don't care about the boat. Just use this knife to like get rid of it.
See,
It's
I
so
think
long.
I think these if you can measure
This one's fine.
get a new square. Oh, this is different. This is a like a radar thing, but this one's fine
Oh,
as well.
look, it's a little flap for the rain collector.
Yeah, oh, that's so cool. Man, that's cool. Yeah, and like the rubber to drain it.
I cannot believe this was $100.
Oh, that's so cool.